testing of paper and boards, we have completed up to pH after extraction. Now we will see the Cope's test. In this measures the mass of water absorbed by the 1 centimeter of test piece at a specified time under the head of a 1 centimeter water, determined by the weighing before after exposures of the water, usually weighted in grams. After that, folding endurance. In this, fold the sample piece back at fourth until the rupture occurs. After that, tensile strength. In this, the maximum tensile strength of a force per unit weight as a paper board will withstand with the breaking. After that, burst resistance. In this burst resistance, the maximum uniformity is distributed pressure as that applies the right angles as a surface, so that test piece of a paper or a board will stand under the test conditions or not. We'll check it. And after that, hydraulic pressure is applied to the diaphragm, like bulging it until the test paper pieces are burst. In that pH extraction, we will cut 1 gram of paper that is placed in a 100 ml of flask. We'll take the container of a flask like a conical flask or something, and we'll cut that 1 gram of paper in 100 ml of a flask, and that fitted with a condenser. We'll fit one condenser to that, and after that we will add 20 ml of boiling distilled water in small portions till the paper is wet. Like 20 ml add చేస్తాం, తర్వాత 50 ml of distilled water will add. After that after the boiling water we'll add distilled water of 50 ml. After that we'll make reflux to that. After that, digest the occasional stirring, like paper on the other, so that digested with the occasional stirring, like we will stir. After that, stirring at 95 to 100 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. We'll like only shaking, mixing. After that, cool to 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. After cooling, remove the condenser and shake. After that, cool the water bath, cool it. After that, determine the pH using the supernatant with the pH meter. Next, we will see the surface pH. In the surface pH, acidify paper with the cause of by that presence of residual chemical left. Acid in the paper may cause the presence of residual chemical left on the pulp. So the drop of distilled water is placed on the top of test piece. The electrolyte pH meter is placed on a drop touching to the paper. That reading is taken after 2 minutes. Okay, that. In moisture content test, the sample is weighed, heated to the constant weight. After heating, a sample weighed, first of all sample weighed and heated, and that constant weight is again weighed. Expel the moisture. After the expelling the moisture, the two differences are weighed and add the moisture content of the paper. We'll know like this formula: moisture, percentage of moisture 100.